Chateau Haut Brion is the first growth of the famous 1855 classification of the wines of Bordeaux, more precisely of the wines of Medoc. Chateau Haut Brion is located in the Péssac-Léognan in the Grave area south of the Bordeaux city, France. Chateau Haut Brion. So how do you go about pronouncing Chateau Haut Brion? Well, the letters A, U in French form the sound O. H, the initial H is absolutely silent, so is the T of O. So just say O. And then Brion. Brion, the letter I in French forming the sound E, so Brion. Do not emphasize too much on the final N. Do not say Brion, but rather Brion. So essentially, overall, Chateau Haut Brion. Chateau Haut Brion. The typical French pronunciation, if you can pronounce the French R, Chateau Haut Brion. Chateau Haut Brion in Péssac-Léognan. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up to support my work before you go. And I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French wine pronunciation. Au revoir. Bye-bye. Cheers.